This is Alon טהורי, a certified tax consultant. Today we're going to learn about what a capital declaration is and what the IRS wants from us. So, a short video or clip depends who you ask. It's actually a report that Marcelin Hensa demands from all independents in Israel and also from controllers and companies. After 3 business activities, in this joy, actually, what does the journey screen want to know about us? Essentially, it means Hassan is trying actually understanding what our economic starting point is the day we both became independent or a year later means to request and receive a report that shows all our assets and commitments. What could this be? For example, we have real estate, what's called properties, apartments, shops, etc. Vehicles, my household insurance, loans if I have, external banking coordination, and of course savings plans, securities. That's the way it goes. Everyone with his own blessing. What's actually the idea? After we've gathered all the documents in the usual manner of your wealth advisor, what we actually do is process them. All the documents and find out our score. How much are we worth as of December 31st, 2000 and something. And then actually, after 3 or 4 to 5 years, and I also saw 18 years in total, traveled, turn to, react again, please, and say, dear friends, let me know the short film again. I want to discover what happened. How much are you charging today? Now, what's the difference between the first rescue and the second or third one? This time, we actually have documents and information that we give to authorities over the years. It's called the annual report. Regarding the feedback that will be given in a separate video, please stay patient or check back with us. In the legal report, I actually detail all my income and expenses. That is, if, for example, I had to submit a Senate Assembly in 2020 with participation, for example, in about 4 to 5 years, I am again required to submit another declaration. This time, between the year 2020 and 2025, there are 5 annual reports supposed to explain how did I get to that wealth growth, to those houses, to those vehicles I bought. Then we actually ask the question, okay friend, if the growth continues, I mean if, for example, using a simple numerical example, in the year 2020, I was worth 1 million shekels, and after 5 years, I am worth 5 million shekels.
Meaning I have a capital growth here.
4 million. Of course, I am adding Sabrina's output over these years, as I have been not only investing money in assets. So, let's ask the question, is the growth in whole of what I'm presenting, in our case, 4 million plus living expenses? Can I see that within the reports I submitted? If I have no explanations for how I grew so much and how I became so wealthy, what did all the travels cost me? Listen, buddy, I don't get where you grew up. How did you become so wealthy when your earnings, as you state, are much lower? In such a case, the IRS has the right to increase my income for the annual reports, which in fact includes a declaration of assets, meaning between 220 to 260. Then actually all this is considered by me. Income is taxable plus a little more, and many things that are not clear. So the conclusion in the wealth declaration, we need to share us and the authority, of course, in all the assets we have, and work with professional guidance to help us present things as they are. Good luck.